Hey guys! So, yeah. I'm still sick, as you can tell from, coughing and how my voice still sounds. So, yeah. So, here we are a week later, and I'm not anywhere better now. So, this has now gone on for 3 weeks now. So, this is really going to be a really fun spring break for me. Alright, so, as you can tell, I am still sick. Now, today I went to the doctors again, and now I've been prescribed stronger medicine, and then tomorrow, which is Tuesday, I have an appointment with the ENT doctors to see what is this? The doctor says it's like I had some kind of cold plus something else, and whatever happened, it caused me to cough a little, but then it just takes just a little bit of coughing somehow triggers this phantom cough, and that's basically what I do. So it just takes, all you do is just get sick a little tiny bit, cough one time, and there you are with the phantom cough, or habit cough, as it's also known. Alright, so, pretty much this is just a really update video to let you guys know that really there is no progress. The pills I took last week didn't work, and that we're basically back to where we started again. I was trying to figure out what caused the habit cough or phantom cough, and how do we treat it? And how do we treat the cough to make me stop coughing my brains out? Not just my brains. I have literally, this whole past weekend, I have coughed up every single organ I have in my body. That's how bad the coughing is. Excuse me. So, that's basically what this video is. It's really nothing too exciting, unfortunately. Just, I thought I'd update you because I did that with the first video, so yeah. Probably by the end of this week I'll have another update video that'll probably be a little bit more exciting or something. So I'm sorry if this is just a really boring video. That's the thing I want to do. I want to stop coughing. I mean, I don't mind the being sick part, because being sick is whatever, but it's the coughing part. It gets so bad that, you have no energy, you don't eat anything, and you're basically just absolutely miserable. Now, the worst thing about this habit cough is at night. I cough so much and so violently that I think that if I cough anymore, my skull is going to shoot out of my forehead because the coughing is so violent at night. And the worst thing about with this right now is at night. When I try to go to sleep, if I lie in that bed for a good 35 minutes, I will cough non-stop, very violently, and to the point where I'm coughing so much that I start choking on my own coughs. That's how bad this cough thing is, so that's basically all, guys. So I'll have an update video probably before the end of this week telling you guys. Hopefully there'll be some update, but I've taken my new medicine, which I've taken before, doesn't really work, but this is what the doctor's going with, so hopefully tomorrow when I go see the ENT people, they'll have better medicine or something, so alright. I'm gonna go now. Alright, so yeah, bye.